Hello and welcome. My name is Adam Pratt, and I am genuinely thrilled that you've joined me for this course, Organizing Photos with Adobe Lightroom Classic. In this first module, I'm going to give you an overview of the course so you know what to expect. So right off the bat, who is this course for? It's for anybody interested in preserving, organizing, and enjoying photos. This includes personal photo organizers who do this for clients, serious amateur photographers who want to preserve their own photos, professional photographers who want to organize their photo archive, and family historians and archivists who want to preserve photos for the future. Now, what can you expect out of this course? Well, you're going to learn a complete workflow that delivers a great photo experience for your clients that is sorted, searchable, secure, and shareable. You're also going to learn how to use industry standards regarding file formats and metadata, including keywords, people, and locations. You'll also learn how to implement best practices for details such as organizing images, naming files, and backing up your images. And you're going to learn how to ensure that your photos are ready for the future. And if you're a personal photo organizer, I believe this course can help you build your business in 4 important ways. First, you're going to learn a repeatable workflow. Now, I've heard a lot of photo organizers say something like, every client is different, so each project is different. Now, in one way, I realize that's true, but if you're reinventing your process for every client, then you're not going to deliver enough value to your clients, or you're not going to be profitable. So I'm going to teach you a repeatable photo organizing workflow that you can use for every client. You're also going to deliver a premium service because what you deliver to your clients is going to be so amazing, so easy to search, so easy to keep safe, and so easy to share and enjoy. And because you're going to deliver all of this based on industry standards that prepare your clients' photos for the future, you're going to serve your clients better than ever. You're also going to gain confidence because when you're done this course, you're going to have the confidence to tackle any organizing project that comes your way. And fourth is profitability. I know you love your clients and you care about their family memories, but it's okay to be passionate and profitable at the same time. Because you'll be equipped with a repeatable workflow, you can be more profitable and less surprised by what your clients bring you. So let's talk about why this course is based around Adobe Lightroom Classic. So the beauty of Lightroom Classic is that it offers a complete digital workflow. So that means it is suitable for scanned photos as well as photos from digital cameras. It also works the same way whether you're dealing with images from a professional DSLR or a smartphone. It also works regardless of file format. So whether you're dealing with still photos or movies, whether you're dealing with JPEGs or RAW files, it's all the same workflow. Also, Lightroom Classic is a cross-platform application. So whether you or your clients are working with Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter. Again, it's the same workflow. And on top of all of this, Lightroom comes from a trusted vendor. So this is coming from Adobe, who has been in business for 35 years, has almost $10 billion in revenue. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. And so it's just a reliable partner in that way. So what is this complete workflow that I've talked about? I break it down in 5 main phases. The first one is gathering your photos. Second is preserving those photos. Then you're going to organize them, and that makes them easy to share. And then fifth, you'll learn how to maintain this system. So those are the 5 main steps, and ultimately that'll be the outline for the rest of the course. So before we get too much further, I thought I might introduce myself a little bit more as well and answer the question, who's Adam? Why am I teaching this course? Who's the guy behind the microphone? Well, before I tell you what I've done, I want to tell you what I'm passionate about. I love people. I love photography, and I love telling a good story. I have experience as a photographer, a graphic designer, a web designer, a video editor, a software trainer, a book author, and of course, a photo organizer. I founded Chaos to Memories, and I've been using this process for 20 years for my own photos, as well as many clients, and you get to benefit from all of that experience through this course. So I've worked for Adobe for almost 20 years, where I work on the Creative Cloud team, which includes apps such as Lightroom and Photoshop. And during those years, I've been busy. So I wrote or contributed to these books. I was the technical editor on these books, and I've worked with these companies on various training videos and events. Now, before I worked at Adobe, I launched one of the first Adobe certified training centers in the US, and I was the first certified Creative Suite master in the world. I also received the Founders Award, which is the most prestigious employee award at Adobe. At the end of it, I love helping people enjoy their photos again, and I can help you turn your photo chaos into precious memories. Let me show you how powerful this workflow is. Just in the last few months, I've worked with a handful of clients using the workflow I'm going to teach you in this course, and the results, if I may say so, are pretty amazing. I've organized 184,641 images. Those came from 214 different camera models, and as a part of that process, I deleted 71,168 duplicate images, saving those clients 807 gigabytes of hard drive space. And now they all have family photo archives that are sorted, searchable, secure, and shareable. So join me in the next lesson where we'll explore why it's important to preserve and organize family photos.